Want to know what's inside the S10? Today I will talk about it. Coming up. So today I will talk about the top 3 features for the S10, okay? So the first features is the camera. So according to the rumor and the leaks, there's going to be 4 rear cameras at the back of the phone. And there's going to be only 1 camera lens at the front, okay? So because they want to keep the 90% body ratio for the S10, so they're going to keep 1 single lens at the front, but there's going to be 4 camera lenses at the back, or if not, it's going to be 3, so which is pretty cool. And the picture wise, they confirmed that it's going to be one of the best camera out there for 2019. The second thing I would like to talk about is the battery, okay? So the battery, they confirm it will be 5,000 milliamps, and the second one for the S10 Lite will be around 3,500 milliamps, and then the middle one will be around 4,000 milliamps. So if you think about 5,000 milliamps compared to the Note 9, which is only 4,000 milliamps, that means that they try to extend the battery life for the S10. Because on the S9, the battery life wasn't that great. So I guess they tried to improve the battery life by putting a 5,000 milliamps on the bigger version, 4,000 milliamps on the medium version, and the S10 Lite will be 3,500 milliamps. Pretty good. So the final selling point for this S10 is they confirmed that it's going to be 90% screen to body ratio. According to leaks, according to what Samsung said, according to what the manufacturer, the case that they're going to be selling, it looks like it's going to be 90% screen to body ratio, which is pretty cool because a lot of people like the full screen, S10 with the edge. So if you're watching videos or YouTube, it will look so much nicer than the previous on the S9. Even though right now the S9 and the Note 9, it looks so nice, with a 90% body ratio, it's going to be even better. It's going to be even more amazing. So I hope these features will help you to decide if you like the S10 before the event date comes up. So the event date is going to be February 20th, 2019 in San Francisco. So it's going to be interesting what's going to happen. But before that, I'm going to post more videos about the S10, maybe the S10 Max, maybe the S10 Lite. We don't know the name yet. All right. So have a nice day. Bye bye.